In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily create a custom paper sizes on printer properties in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear. All you need to do is you need to click on open to continue. Or you can simply press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the Bluetooth and devices. So tap on it, and from here you can see their printers and scanners, and eventually it will show you all of the printer driver that has been installed here in your Windows. So please the printer driver that you would like to create a custom paper size with, okay, all you need to do is you need to tap the net, and from here you would be able to bring up the printer settings. So please locate with the printing properties or printing preferences. Select any of this, okay? And in a while you would be able to open this kind of window. So from here, please navigate with the main. Okay, you can see their document size. Click on this down arrow key and go with user defined. So from here, you can rename the paper size. Okay, so but first, please proceed with the paper width first and ensure that the paper width is smaller than the height. Okay, meaning the paper width has contains a less number than the height. Okay, so let's say for example you would like to set for 15. Okay, and by 40. Again, 15 by 40. So if it's not inputting here, okay, so that's why it's not inputting, because it only requires for 30.50 to 8.50. So we are going to leave by it, and the height would be 40. Okay, so ensure that the minimum for height would not be greater than 44. Okay, that's why I'm not being able to set 15 here, because it has a maximum for 8.50 and a minimum for 3.50 for the width, and the height would be in minimum 5 and the maximum would be 44. Okay, so you can rename that into 8 by 40. Okay, so once you have renamed that, select the unit into inch. Okay, once done, click on saved and click on OK. Once done, it would be added here as the document size. So you can use that as your document size, and you can also set it as your default document size or paper size. Once you're good, click on OK, close the window, and whenever you would print something, you can use the paper size that you have customized in the printing preferences or properties. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.